Hello DBS. So today's question on clustering part. So what is MSDTC, or we can say that what is DTC in SQL Server? We can say that. Okay. So DTC stands for Transax Data Transaction Coordinator. Okay. It is also known as MSDTC. It is a service available on supported Windows-based operating system for distributed transaction. Okay, so DTC is transaction distributor. This is an agent, we can say that. This is a service, we can say that. Okay, normally SQL Server instance is the resource manager. When a data is availability group, each database needs to be its own resource manager. So it is a service that is distributing data. Okay, this is along the distributed data transaction coordinator. Okay, thank you for watching.